Welcome back to AdKit tutorials. In this video, we are finally going to start displaying ads in the project. So first, we need to have a demo scene where we could test our ads. Lucky for us, AdKit provides an example scene, which includes tons of useful functions that we can mess around before starting to create our real projects. First of all, we don't need the initial scene folder that has been created by Unity Editor, so we're just going to delete it. Great! Now we can find AdKit provided example scene, which is located in AdKit example scene folder. Let's open our demo scene. Sweet! Now we can start playing with our ads. Let's open Banner Ads menu. In order to show banner ads, first we need to enable them into the project. Alright, so here we can see our global banner ad options. Let's examine them further. First field is responsible for action that will be called after opening banner ad. There are 4 different actions that can be done. We can hide our banner, destroy it, or request and show a new one. In the next field, we can provide time for how long AdKit should wait for request response. If response takes longer than our specified time, then request will be considered as failed. And the last field provides us an option to request next network if current request failed. Now, let's add our first banner profile. It will create a new section where we will be able to customize our banner ad. But before changing anything, I should explain what ad profile is. Ad profile is used to create different ad variations. So, for example, we can create one banner that will be displayed at the top of the screen in one scene, and then create another ad profile where we will set position to display banner at the bottom of the screen. So this gives us a lot of functionality when it comes to creating and modifying ads. So let's start from the beginning. AdKit Manager automatically generates random banner ID, but we want to use our own. So I will change the ID to, let's say, top standard. Now we can choose where banner will be displayed on the screen. We can choose between 7 different banner placements, and I will select to display it at the top. Great! Next field lets you to choose your banner size. Banners comes in 2 sizes, standard and large. Let's say we want to display standard banner size. Next field is one of the key features of AdKit plugin, which is ad breaks. When ad break is activated, ad network will not be requested for a specified period of time or amount of requests, or until the exit of the game. Combined with ad events, this feature becomes super useful in the project, but I will explain how they work in the following tutorials. Or you can check our documentation to find out more info about them. Moving on, we have different mediation types that can be selected. There are 3 different mediation types for banner ads. For this ad profile, we will stick with the order mediation. Great! Now let's add some ad networks to our mediation. As you can see, there are all ad networks that we have imported into our project, and they all can display banner ads. Let's select some ad networks. First, I will choose ad mob. Then I want to display ad colony banner, and after that I want to display, let's say, Facebook banner. Great! So these networks will be displayed in the order which we have selected. So the first will be ad mob, then ad colony, and the last one will be Facebook. Once last ad network is shown, count will reset, and once again it will start from the first network. Moving on, we have our next key feature of this plugin, and that is ad callback events. As we can see, demo scene already has Event Manager, so we can start creating new ad events for our banner ad. Here are the list of all banner events that are available. As we can see, there is an event for every possible action, starting from creating banner, loading, showing, and ending with destroying banner event. Also, before moving further, I should warn you that at this moment, Unity Ads does not support on banner open action. It means that you will not be able to access any after ad was opened functions. But it depends on when you are watching this video, because in the future there are possibilities that Unity Ads will implement this missing action and these functions will be working again. Alright, to show you how it works, let's select one of the banner events. I will choose On Banner Show Event. New section appeared, on which we can attach our functions that we need to call when this action is done. Here on Canvas Game Object, we can find the callback script that has public functions, and when they are called, event message text will change. So let's add our Canvas game object to our event field. I will hover on callback script, and here we can find onBannerShow function. Let's select it. So now when the banner ad will be shown, onBannerShow event will be invoked, and it will call our onBannerShow function. Alright, let's try it out. I will enter play mode, and in the console we are already getting some messages. First message says that our scene manager has been initialized, because we have set in the manager to initialize scene manager at the start. Following messages provides us with information about initialized networks. Again, in the manager we have set to automatically initialize our networks. So in this case they were automatically initialized when the scene manager was added. Okay, so now when we have initialized networks, we can actually create, request, and show our ads. So let's do that. Let's navigate to Banner Ads menu. Here we need to provide our new banner profile ID. I will type in top standard and press create button. In the console, we are getting new message saying that our banner ad profile has been successfully instantiated. Now we can actually request our banner ad network. Here we can see that AdKit started the request order mediation banner, and the network is AdMob, which we have set to be the first in the list. Next message says that our banner request finished and ad was loaded, but the message was invoked not from AdMob, but from interactive ads. That's because we are enabled AdKit interactive ads in the editor. So when we are requesting ads in the editor, we will load interactive ads. Alright, our banner ad has been requested and loaded, so now we can show it. Let's press show button. And here we are getting our new banner ad displayed. We can see that standard size banner has been shown at the top of the screen. And this banner size and position will be exactly the same with the real ads which will be displayed on device. So it's really easy to test your ads without any need to build their project. Here we can also see additional info that interactive ads provide. For example, here's our requested banner profile ID, and here's the network that would be requested. And at the bottom, we can see that our event message text has changed. This changes was made by function that was called when onBannerShow event was invoked. If we scroll down, we can find all the possible properties for our banner ad. Here you can check where a banner is placed, is it requested or shown, and all these properties can be reached via code. Alright, so now we know everything about our banner ads. Let's destroy our banner and move on to the next section, where we will create interstitial ad. So stay tuned.